What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. If you're new to the channel, I recently picked up a 1985 Ferrari Testarossa Koenig Edition replica. It's a kit car based on a 1985 Pontiac Fiero GT. I'm currently rebuilding the entire car. I got it running, I got it driving, next is body and paint, but today I got a bunch of new parts. So make sure to stay tuned, check it out. Alright guys, so as you can see, the car is outside. So let's go ahead, pull the car out of the carport. And the first thing we're gonna do is make a checklist of everything I need to do to the body in order to get it ready for paint. Then after that, we're gonna start to dive in and have a look at all the new parts I got for the exterior and the interior of the car. So let's go. So what I'm gonna do, instead of fixing the lower valence that's broken off, so I'm gonna go ahead and build a rear diffuser for this car, and then I can also weld on and mount my wing mounts for my chassis mount wing that I wanna build. So yeah, save a lot of body work having to refiberglass in that lower valence by making a DIY diffuser and put it on a chassis mount wing. Alright guys, you ready for a little surprise? I got some new parts. Here's item number one. I got some brand new seats. Wow. They're Recaro style, leather, faux leather. I don't know, it says authentic leather, but anyways, the stitching isn't too bad. I'm pretty happy with the stitching overall. The look of them looks really, really nice. They're not cheap looking. You know, they weren't cheap to begin with, but yeah, so we got a driver's side, passenger seat. And they got the sliders on them right now. I might have to do some welding and weld a custom bracket to make those sliders work. The previous owner used to have some M3 emblems on it, so I just got to clean the glue off. But other than that, yeah, no tears, no rips. They're super, super comfortable. Yeah, I think they're gonna look pretty good inside of the Ferrari Testarossa kit car. Next week is a long weekend, so maybe I'll go ahead and tear out the entire interior and install these, see how they look. You guys ready for item number 2? Check this out. Ugh. Check this out, guys. Big, huge wing. So I'm gonna do a chassis mount wing with this spoiler. And story behind this, I got this from down in the city. I think I paid 200 bucks cash for it. And it was mounted on a Ferrari 360 Modena. And I'm like, oh cool, the guy's got a aftermarket spoiler, no big deal. And it's covered up in vinyl right now. But I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and pull off the vinyl and see what the original color was. So, lo and behold, I started to peel the vinyl off, and check this out. Novatec Rosso. This is a Novatec spoiler. It came on the Novatec edition Ferrari 360. So that 360 that it came off of, that was an original Novatec car. So yeah, I scored on this one, paid 200 bucks for it. And it's about a $1,500 to $2,000 wing. But that is gonna look sick on the car. So let's go ahead and pull off the rest of the vinyl on the spoiler because I wanna see if it's all yellow and what we're working with underneath. Check that out. That's Ferrari yellow paint right there. It's hard to get a good shot of it, but anyways, that's where it's stamped in with Novatec. The fins are super sick. All aluminum. When I go to do my chassis mount wing, that's gonna come in handy. I can just make some new brackets and bolt it right up to that and have a sturdy mounting point. So let's go ahead, tear off the rest of the vinyl. Well guys, got all the vinyl off the wing. Check it out. Factory Ferrari 360 Modena yellow. So this was a Novatec edition, $1,500 to $2,000. So I am stoked on that score.